Hey guys, today we're drawing Santa Claus from Christmas. Even you need your marker for the outline. For the coloring, you need orange and just red, okay? And let's get started now. And my name's Dragon, I'm 5 years old. And let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First step is make a oval for his nose. I'm making the oval. Just like that. This draws mustache. There's a curved line coming down. We're gonna not draw it big first. Let's draw the under one. Under this one, it says mouth, okay? Search the middle from here. It's right there. Mouth. Make it right there. And curve up. And curve back down. And do this again. There's his mustache right there. Okay? Let's draw a curved line on top. Just like that. 2 lines going right there. Same thing on the other side. Let's make a circle inside, just like that. For the side. Another oval now. I'm gonna color this piece black. Just like that. Another circle. Right there, I kind of went off of the page. Just like that. Now let's draw his head, okay? You make a curved line going right here. You make a circle now. Just like that for his hat. We're gonna draw it kind of like a normal hat. A normal Christmas hat. And we go up so high. You just curve back down. Just like that. Oh, we start from here. Make a line going that way. Just like that. Let's draw his mustache now. His under one. Like that big U shape underneath. Let's draw some curves. Just like that. Just like that. And this is cute Santa. Look how cute it is. And it's almost Christmas. And let's color it now. Coloring time. Let's color it now. Okay, orange. And the face will be like orange and the hat will be like red. And I'll color this for dark. See, that's looking dark. Dark. But it still looks orange, but it's kind of red. You can watch this video and make a cute Santa. How to draw a good Santa is in this video. In my next video, I'll draw Santa with his whole body. Like his face is gonna be big and his body is gonna be small. That's how I'm gonna draw it in my next video of Santa. This color his hat all red now, I guess. Let's do some shading now, I guess, with my pencil. And tell me which present you'll get this Christmas. I don't know what I will get. And one day when I was at my house and it was Christmas, someone like rang the doorbell. I was like, who rang it? It was even Christmas. I thought it was just Santa. But when I came out, there were like one toy inside. It was like a gun you can like spin around. It was like a blade. So you can like spin around, press a button, then it just spins around like. That was really cool. Shading right there, just a little curve, two curve lines, just like that, and some in his beard. That was so crazy when I saw that present. Even there's some candy inside. That's really cool. And I guess that's it. And if you don't know how to draw Santa, you can watch this video again. And I promise if you draw it before, it doesn't look good. If you draw it next time, it will look good. I forgot to make his mouth and tongue. Let's do it. Just right there. And the curved line going up. Let's color that in. This is the tongue. And this is the mouth. The whole mouth, okay? And let's color it now. Just orange and red. Just like that. Oops. See how cute the Santa is looking. Let's color just like that. See, it's a great Santa. And please like and subscribe my channel.